Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Chantel, and if you like beauty videos, 31 days of Halloween and Friday vlogs, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hi! And this is my daughter Brooklyn, if you guys are new to my channel, and there's been quite a few of you that have asked for daughter does my makeup, and this is why I'm just plain Jane today, because my daughter Brooklyn is going to do my makeup. She got a few little things there picked out. I don't know what color lipstick she picked out. I'm a little bit of not afraid, because she loves bold makeup looks. So we are going to go ahead and just jump right in the look, and you can tell everybody what you're going to start off with first.
Primer.
Primer, okay.
Oh, that's to scoop it out?
Yeah, okay, so she's wondering what it is. It's the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas, Silk Canvas Primer, sorry. So I'll just open it up for you. Here you go. Just take a little tiny bit. You don't want to really go up to that line, because I do find that's a lot of product. And just to let you guys know that that video, the review on this primer, is already up. Oh.
So what do I use, my fingers?
Yeah.
Okay. I always use a brush for primer, because I don't like the feeling on my fingers. I'll rub it in.
Okay. Oh, my nose.
Oh, what?
My nose is still tender, sorry.
Oh,
hold on.
Oh, I forgot.
That's okay. Sorry about that. My nose is still tender from where I fell, so I should have pre-warned you. Okay.
I use a brush, so I don't know how to use this when I use primer, and I never put it all over my face. I have two different primers, and I only ever put it here and on my nose.
Yeah, well, okay. Alright, we're good.
No, we aren't. There's still some left. Eyes next. No, I do brows, and then I carve them. Here.
Thank you.
So now we're gonna do the eyebrows, which is why I wanted to do this video.
Okay, and she's going in with the ANASTASIA
Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil.
Brow Wiz, and this is in granite. Go ahead.
Granite.
Granite, yeah.
Come closer.
Okay.
So we start off by brushing the eyebrow hairs off. Now normally I use like 3 different spoolies and like 5 different products for my eyebrows. But like you just use this and that's it. So I don't know how you manage.
Because I have tiny brows.
Yeah, you do. Okay.
Sorry. You're so close to my face. Okay, go ahead. Oh yeah, it looks really nice.
Told you?
Yeah, she told me, yeah. I didn't want her to do my eyebrows, because
You do them really bad, you just round them out.
Thanks, Brooklyn.
Well, it's true.
Yeah, I know, my eyebrows are...
Don't raise your eyebrows, because now there's a smudge on your eye.
I'm sorry. My eyebrows are bad. That's from the years when I was younger, when I used to shave them. Don't shave your eyebrows.
As you can tell.
Yeah, Brooklyn got nice eyebrows, nice thick eyebrows. Mine used to be that thick too.
Wow.
When I was your age.
Really?
Yeah.
It's hard to believe. No offense. But
That's
it
okay.
is.
Yeah, I know, it is hard to believe. Because how thin they are.
Mm-hmm. They are really thin. I mean, they're not even, but they're good, I think, maybe.
I don't have a mirror, so I can't see.
Yeah, but like this one goes like, there's no hair, but here there's hair there.
I know.
But like, we'll just draw it in.
I don't have a mirror, so I can't see exactly what you're doing to my eyebrows. Okay, so what are you going with next after my brows are all done?
Now I'm gonna carve them out. You don't have a carving brush, do you? Like a concealer brush? Like a flat brush?
No, I use the Beauty Blender there.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going in with the YSL.
YSL. All Hours.
Concealer. In
Fair. Yeah, it's a whole bunch of numbers on the bottom, but
yeah.
It is fair. All the products that she will be using today on me, I will have it all listed down below for you guys.
Oh, you're really warm, or no, I don't know if you're warm tone, but this is like super pink.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, what am I supposed? Okay.
You're carving out my eyebrows.
Yeah, I know, but I always use a brush. That's a flat brush. Should I go down and get it? Oh wait, no, it's at in hand.
No, you can use my Beauty Blender. That's fine.
Yeah, I know, but I have to shape them first, so we're just gonna use it straight off this.
That's what I normally do.
Okay. Raise your eyebrows. Tone. I'm pretty sure, although I do use cooler concealers sometimes. Okay, and now, like every beauty guru, we have to put the lines across. How they do. Even though I don't do this, but this is how they always do their eyebrows.
Yeah, I got that at Winners.
Yeah, I know.
Here, just let me show everybody. So this beauty blender, and it came with this little traveling case. But what I like to do with it is that I put it in here and then I close it up. And I fill it up with water and it makes it really big. And yeah, I bought that at Winners. I actually did it, I think I showed it in Winners haul a while back.
Do you have a setting powder?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I'll give it. No, that's the blush duo. I'll get that for you though. But yeah, it was in one of my Winners hauls. I will have that linked right there for you guys to check it out.
Okay.
It's a really good little beauty blender. And actually they do have, I only paid $5.99 for this one. And they actually have one on Sephora's site, the same thing with a little traveling case. And it's for $18. So, you know, it always pays to go into Winners to look around.
Close your eyes. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced White Peach palette. So yeah.
Yeah, I recently purchased this a while back. There you go. I think I showed that in my Sephora haul. I kind of can't remember.
Okay, so starting with the MAC 224 brush, we are going to go into Fuzzy.
Which is like a taupey brownie shade.
And we're going to put this on the outer V and crease as our transition shade. I'm coming for James Charles's brand.
Are you? Why?
Because I'm good at makeup too. And I like James Charles.
Yeah, I love his makeup. His makeup's beautiful. Peach sorbet.
And just taking it on the same brush and applying it only to the outer lid. Take the Kevin Aquan brush.
Right on, Kevin Aquan, that's right.
And we are going to take a mixture of Peaches and Dreams and Peach Swood.
Peach smoothie, I think.
No, it's Swood. Swood. Peach Swood.
Sunday?
Wouldn't there be like a hat on the E or whatever it is, like the flick, like French?
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm calling it Peach Swood.
Sure. This is your video.
Okay.
I can't see it from here, so I'm just guessing. Because I only used that palette once so far, so I don't even know all the names to the shadows yet. Which is pretty bad. So this Kevin Aquan brush that she's using is the shadow brush. And a long time ago, I actually purchased it at Winners. Surprise, surprise. Because you all know I love Winners. I only paid $14.99 for the brush, which was an amazing deal. So, okay, so what are you going in with next?
I'm gonna go in. I'm breaking the rules a little bit.
Okay.
But I'm gonna use your bronzer on your eyes.
That's from Essence.
Because I need a bit of a darker brown.
Okay,
I mean,
this
it's
is
not
the
too much darker, but like it's
Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and this one here is for the lighter skin tones. In the shade. Smells like pina coladas. It's delicious.
Oh, it does. Wow, that's fancy.
That's fancy. So you're gonna put this on my eyes? Okay. I was going to get my Sephora tape, but that's in the washroom. So
I use like credit or no, like gift cards. I don't have credit cards. I got that tip from Drew. That's what she uses. Shout out. Ho ho ho. But Mom doesn't have that, so we're just gonna use some weird piece of card. And I'm gonna go into Sweet Fig and Fuzzy and turn towards me. And we're just gonna place this, and we want to line it up with her nose and eyebrow.
Okay, so there we go. Can I face the camera a little bit more? There we go. Okay, good.
And then we just pack it on there and blend it. And see, that'll give you a line. I mean, it's a little bit off, but like we can blend that. I'm obviously not leaving a harsh line.
So guys, how about that? How about if Brooklyn does a video for a day of her getting ready? Get ready with Brooklyn. Let us know in the comments.
That'd be the longest video ever.
Let us know in the comments down below. I won't be in the video, but she can be. Yeah, I think that'd be a lot of fun. Let us know if you'd like to see that. You can give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see it as well.
So now I'm breaking the rules again. Well, I mean, it's not technically.
Come over closer. There we go, because we're a little bit too much.
Oh yeah, I zoomed in because of the eyeshadow. Oopsie.
There we go.
Okay, so now I'm taking the Wet n Wild
blush
and
it's a 20.
It doesn't have a name.
Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, anyways, the name of it would be here somewhere, but it's 329B, and it's this beautiful pink blush. Has a little bit of a shimmer sparkle in it.
Yeah, it does. And so I'm just gonna put this like right on the outer corner. Make a half cut crease today.
Oh, half cut crease. Here we go. We're going to get really fancy here today.
It's not that fancy. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, well, I don't really do a whole lot of cut crease.
Oh, how?
I know. I've had a few people message me and ask me. I don't know. I guess I got to practice more at it. I know that sounds funny.
Don't open, because if you open it'll go everywhere.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use this really big brush, and it's from
Nope.
No, it's not.
TIGI.
Oh, well, it looks like their brushes.
Yeah, I know. It looks like a Quo brush, and also looks like a Sephora brush as well. But it's TIGI shadow brush. I've had that now for years.
So now we are gonna take peach ice, and we are just gonna pop it there. Guys, I'm just gonna take the Precision brush, and we're gonna take a mixture of sweet fig and peach passion. Oh god, that left some shadows.
Yeah, don't knock the palette off the table.
I'm not going though.
Okay.
And we're just gonna put it in your V.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going in with the All Hours YSL.
YSL All Hours
Foundation
full covers.
BR10.
Full covers. Anyways, it's the YSL All Hours Full Coverage Matte Foundation in the shade BR10. That's a lot. You only need a little bit.
Oh, no. That's fine.
Yeah. I do want you to use a whole bunch.
I'm not going to.
Anyways, like I've said in a lot of past videos, that if you are porcelain, fair skin like me, that is the perfect shade for you. It is the best foundation ever. Okay, go ahead. Okay, just be careful around my nose.
Yeah,
I'll do my nose. Okay.
Or maybe we'll leave your sister nose plain. Now we are going to bronze. Where's your shade and light palette? That's the good one. That's the best one.
I don't know. Maybe somebody took it.
No, I gave it back to you. Actually, you took it back. Okay.
Brooklyn likes to take my makeup.
I only take it because I'm not paying $62 for a shading palette when my mother has it upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we should do some sister snatch that nose. We're gonna use this.
Be careful of my nose.
Oh yeah, I probably should. Okay.
Like, I'm serious. Be careful.
Stop. There. That didn't hurt. Now did. No.
How's it look? I don't know.
Looks pretty good, and I'm not gonna call. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I picked a really pretty one.
Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah.
Yeah, it is Sushi Kisses.
Sushi Kisses. Okay.
Yeah. Now, I don't really use liquid lipsticks or a lip tint.
So there we go. There's the final look that Brooklyn did. I have to say it's really pretty and summery. Good job, Brooklyn. Really love it. Really, really nice. She did a fantastic job. So you guys, there we go. There's the final look. Let us know in the comments down below if you love this look that Brooklyn did. I think she did a fantastic job. So nice of you to do my makeup for the first time ever by request. Also, let us know in the comment section if you would like Brooklyn to do a get ready with her video. Just her doing her makeup, because she does her own makeup. Fantastic. She really takes that wing and exaggerates it. It's really, really super beautiful. So let us know in the comments down below. We really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!